In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Cloudways Service. If you are wrapping up a project, moving to another hosting setup, or simply no longer need your current server environment, it is important to cancel everything properly. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that logging out, removing local website files, or deleting a payment method will stop charges. It will not. As long as your cloud servers or paid add-ons are still active, billing can continue. So in this walkthrough, we are going to safely back up your data, remove extra services, delete your servers, and then close the account if needed. First, protect your data before doing anything else. Once a cloud server is deleted, that server is permanently wiped, so there is no undo option. Start by opening the Applications area in your Cloudways dashboard, then go into each website or app you want to preserve. In database management, use the export option to download a copy of your database as an SQL file. After that, connect through SFTP using your application credentials and download your full public hash.yml folder to your computer. This gives you both your database and your website files, which is essential if you may need them later. Next, check for any paid add-ons that could still generate charges even after a server is gone. From the top navigation, open the grid menu and go to Add-ons. Review each active subscription carefully. If you see services such as email delivery, Elasticsearch, or any other paid feature still enabled, open the settings for each one and choose Remove Subscription. This step helps make sure there are no leftover billing items in the background. Once that is done, move on to your active servers. Open the Servers section and locate each machine you want to remove. On the right side of the server row, click the Options menu or the Delete icon. Cloudways will show a warning because this action is permanent. Type delete in capital letters to confirm, then complete the deletion. Repeat this for every active server until the server list is empty. This is the key step that stops ongoing infrastructure billing. After your servers and add-ons are cleared, you can close the main account if you want a full cancellation. Click your profile icon in the upper right corner, choose Account, then find the Cancel Account section in the sidebar. Cloudways will ask for a reason for leaving, so complete that short form and then click Cancel My Account to finish the process. Finally, do a quick billing and confirmation check. Look for the account cancellation email and review your billing area to make sure any final prorated balance